This is an apple.
Ka apple hali ki hobo?
That is an apple.
In hodun apple hali ki hobo?
These are apples.
In hodun apple hali ki hobo?
Those are apples.
Ka apple hali ki hobo?
I eat an apple.
Ka apple hali ki hobo?
I don't eat an apple.
Ka apple hali ki hobo?
Do I eat an apple?
Ka apple hali ki hobo?
Don't I eat an apple?
Ka apple hali ki hobo?
I am eating an apple.
Ka apple hali ki hobo?
I am not eating an apple.
Ka apple hali ki hobo?
Am I eating an apple?
Ka apple hali ki hobo?
Am I not eating an apple?
Perfect. Present perfect.
Ka apple hali ye. I
have eaten an apple.
ka apple na hai.
I have not eaten an apple.
Ka apple hai ni ki hobo?
Yeah. Present.